Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off those annoying WhatsApp notifications on your PC or laptop. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, this will help you stay distraction-free. Let's go! First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp desktop app or WhatsApp web in your browser. Now, in the top left corner, click on the three-dot menu next to your profile picture. From the drop-down, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Notifications. Here you'll see several options like Sounds Desktop Alerts, Show Preview. If you want to completely disable notifications, just uncheck all of them. Or, if you just want to mute them temporarily, scroll up and click Mute Notifications, and choose a duration like 8 hours, 1 week. Or always optional, disable Windows notifications. If you're using the Windows app and still getting system pop-ups, do this. Click the Start menu, then go to Settings. System Set Box. Notifications. Scroll down to WhatsApp. Toggle it off completely. And you won't see any toast notifications from the app. And that's it. No more pings, buzzes, or pop-ups from WhatsApp while you're trying to work. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.